A new Washington gun law that's gotten a lot of backlash is back in the spotlight, and now the Washington Attorney General is hoping to clear a few things up. As Fox 12's Nora Hart explains, he says that there's been some confusion among both law enforcement and citizens.
Initiative 1639 has gotten a lot of attention. Voters passed it last November, and since then it has been challenged in court. Some sheriffs in Washington have even said they will not enforce it, saying it violates the Second Amendment. The Washington law prohibits the sale of semi-automatic rifles to those under 21 and to those who do not live in the state. It also requires buyers to pass an enhanced background check and prove that they've taken a gun training course. Several sheriffs have said that they won't enforce the law unless a federal court finds it to be constitutional. In Spokane County, the sheriff there even received death threats on Facebook about it. Recently, Washington Attorney General Bob Ferguson wrote 2 letters to law enforcement officials saying he believes many just don't understand the law. He highlighted a few of the biggest misunderstandings. In a letter dated February 12th, he stated he wanted to make it clear that the law is presumed constitutional. No court has ruled it unconstitutional. He also explained that starting July 1st, the law requires enhanced background checks conducted by law enforcement officials for semi-automatic rifles. He also noted that it's the same requirement that Washington has had in place for handgun purchases for years. Then today, he sent out a letter answering some frequently asked questions. And in that letter, he explained that law enforcement is not required to enter homes to investigate whether firearms are being stored safely. And in response to sheriffs refusing to enforce the law, Attorney General Ferguson says local law enforcement officials are entitled to their opinions about the constitutionality of any law, but those personal views do not absolve us from our duty to enforce Washington law and protect the public. You can read more frequently asked questions about the law at kptv.com. In studio, Nora Hart, Fox 12 Oregon.